Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to install this 70Mai Dashcam Pro Plus and the real cam set onto my Perodua Viva here. So first of all, we need to install this electrostatic sticker onto the mirror. And before that, we need to make sure that the glass is clean. So I have installed it, but you can't see it here. But try and make sure that there's no bubble there. Next up, take your dashcam and flip it upside down. Find the cover slot here. Slide it in and push it upwards. Now you need to remove this layer and then stick it onto the electrostatic sticker. There we go. Now take this USB cable and install it into this side like so. Once you install it, then you need to start using your spatula and arrange your cable alongside here. So I have routed it and did my best and routed it down towards here and connect the USB into the red spot one. So for the real camera, I'm just going to try and stick it into the ceiling here and without any stickers, so that when I open the real door it doesn't get extended outwards as well, and for easier camera management. And now I'm going to try and route the cables through the other side of the door. So yeah, I did my best to route all the cables. So as you can see, this is how I did it. It's a bit untidy, but I hope this will do. Let's test it out if that thing actually falls down when I drive. And I'll post another video testing out the recording quality. So that's about it guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.